their own bags.
The Meghalaya state government is set to implement quick response code technology for tracking liquor sales, following the state cabinet's approval of a proposal from the Excise Department. Excise Minister Meghalaya stated that while the existing hologram system has reduced leakage, the government seeks to enhance monitoring with QR codes on every bottle of Indian-made foreign liquor. This initiative aims to further prevent revenue loss. Additionally, the minister highlighted that the department's revenue has seen significant growth in recent years, with a target exceeding 500 crores this fiscal year.
Actually, when it comes to hologram, the time is already over for them. So that's why to introduce this QR code, there's a process need to be done. So for this, we have given them extension because we cannot live without, we cannot let the product goes to the market without any trace and track. So as of now, the only trace and track we have is the hologram. So we extend for a period of time to this the present company who give us this hologram. But it's just that for the time to complete this process, we need some time. So based on that, we extend, and it will be a matter of 2-3 months.